In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to undo changes in Monday.com quickly and safely. Whether you accidentally deleted a column, moved an item to the wrong group, edited the wrong text field, or made a change you instantly regret, there are simple ways to reverse it. I'll walk you through the fastest method first, and then I'll show you what to do if the standard undo option isn't available. Make sure you stick around so you know both options. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple step-by-step software tutorials just like this. All right, let's jump in. The fastest way to undo something in Monday.com is by using the built-in undo button. This works immediately after you make a change. For example, let's say you edit a text column, move an item to a different group, delete a column, or change a status label. Right after making that change, look toward the top of your screen and click the undo button. As soon as you click it, the change is instantly reversed. This is the quickest and easiest method, and it works best when you notice the mistake right away. You don't need to refresh the page, and you don't need to go digging through settings. Just click undo, and your board will return to its previous state. You can make this even faster by using keyboard shortcuts. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and Z at the same time. That's Ctrl plus Z. If you're using a Mac, press Command and Z together. That's CMD plus C. This shortcut works immediately after your action, and it's perfect for quick corrections while you're actively editing your board. Now, keep in mind, the undo button only works for recent actions. If you've navigated away, refreshed the page, or waited too long, you might not see the option anymore. So what do you do if the undo button isn't available? That's where the activity log comes in. If you can't undo directly, you can restore changes using the board activity log. This is especially useful if you're trying to track down a change that happened earlier or if someone else on your team made a modification. Here's how to access it. First, open the board where the change occurred. Once you're inside the correct board, go to the top right corner and click the three dots. These three dots open the board menu with additional options. From that drop-down menu, select Activity Log. When you open the activity log, you'll see a detailed history of actions taken on that board. This includes edits, deletions, status changes, column updates, item movements, and more. The log shows who made the change and when it happened, which is extremely helpful for team collaboration. Scroll through the list until you find the specific action you want to reverse. In some cases, you'll see an undo option next to that action. If it's available, simply click undo, and Monday.com will restore the previous version of that item or change. If an undo option isn't directly available in the activity log, you can still use the information there to manually recreate what was changed. For example, if a column was deleted, the log will show you what it was called. If a status was changed, it will show the previous value. This makes it much easier to restore your board accurately. Using the activity log is especially powerful for managers and team leads who need visibility into board history. It ensures that no change is truly a mystery, and it gives you a safety net when mistakes happen. So to quickly recap, if you just made a mistake, use the undo button immediately, or press Ctrl plus C on Windows or CMD plus C on Mac. That's the fastest solution. If too much time has passed or the button isn't available, open your board, click the three dots in the top right corner, select Activity Log, find the change, and use undo from there if possible. Knowing these two methods will save you time, reduce stress, and help you confidently manage your boards without worrying about permanent mistakes. If this tutorial helped you understand how to undo changes in Monday.com, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.